This is worm castings. This is a solid material. This is better than compost in some ways. It's kind of sticky. It's gluggy. I can kind of make almost like a ball, like a clay ball out of this. This is high quality, solid fertilizer. There's a little worm still in there. Right? This has humates and mucilates and sticky gels in it that all come through the gut of the worm. Earthworms eat the manure of compost worms. That's how rich it is in beneficial bacteria. Not so much beneficial fungi, a little bit of fungi, mostly beneficial bacteria. This is great fertilizer, solid fertilizer and liquid fertilizer. Every 3 months, you can empty this bath and get a bath full of this stuff out and reset your worm farm.